Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we're going to take a look at Annie's Crochet Big Book of Christmas Crochet. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining me today. If you like all things crochet or yarn or anything related to the two, then go ahead and go down below and hit that subscribe button so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video or I go live. I do go live weekly, and I try to post at least 2 videos a week. I'm sure you're familiar with Annie's Big Book of Christmas Crochet. I think that they come out with a new one each year, but this one I believe is from last year. It is still available, and you can purchase it by going to the link down below if this is something that you're interested in. Let's go ahead and just take a look at this particular Big Book of Christmas Crochet. Alright, so this particular book has 31 festive designs for the holidays, and here's a few of them on the front. This is a very nice, it looks like some cable work and different types of stitches on this blanket, which is beautiful, and I'm sure you can make it in any other color, but I do like the way that it looks in white. Here's some a little family of people in festive clothing, some nice festive boots showing up here, some ornaments over here, and of course this super cute Gingham Santa Gnome scarf. That is crazy cute. Now if you flip over the back, you get some idea of some more holiday gifts, or not gifts, but holiday projects in here. So look at this dainty doily. It's beautiful, and this table runner is amazing. And this set here with the pillow and the blanket, it looks like a throw. That's gorgeous. This trivet over here with the truck, isn't that cute? And the Christmas tree. And then this deer throw, which is absolutely beautiful. This super cute snowman pillow, or this stocking. And then we've got another stuffed amigurumi snowman down here. And another, it looks like just, oh, okay, this is a towel topper right here. And then of course some baskets up here made with some chunky yarn. So this is a good way for you to get a good idea of what the projects are inside this book. I'm going to flip through real quick because I don't want to show off, but look at that. Do you see that? Look at that pillow. How cute is that? So that's the front. And then there's the back there. Oh my gosh. So flipping cute here. And of course there's the towel topper we saw. And here's some ornament covers, which how cute are those? That's such a perfect way to just kind of spice up plain ornamental balls on your tree. There's the stuffed snowman, so cute. So I'm just going to flip through this really quick because, oh my gosh, do you see that reindeer amigurumi? Oh, how cute. Oh, it's this doorstop. So you'd have to put some weight in there. What? And there's those festive boots. Nice little angel doily. How cute is that? So you get a good idea of what you can do. Oh, that's a beautiful blanket. So it looks like it's a very lightly textured blanket. Cranberry lace throw. How gorgeous is that? And here's the little round elf, I think they're calling them. So, and you can choose your colors, make it super duper cute. And the snowman pillow. So, so those are the projects. Now, to go a little bit deeper in here, it'll tell you some of the projects here. So I'll let you see that table of contents there, so you can kind of pause on that and take a look at that and see if that's something you'd be interested in. Now, one thing about these Annie's, these specialty books, they don't really get into how to do the stitches at the beginning like a lot of books do. They do go into a little bit at the end here, talks about how to make particular stitches, but they're creating this particular special edition book with the assumption that you know the basics of crochet, so they don't start with it at the beginning. However, if you need some help, there is some help in the end. And that's what the stitch guide and the metric conversion charts are for at the general information on pages 71 and 72. The rest of these are all of the 31 projects that they have. Okay, so I am going to kind of zoom in here. So this is for this particular blanket. Now, one thing that I really like about these Annie's books it does give you a skill level, which this particular skill level is considered easy. It does tell you how big the project is going to be when you are finished. And then it gives you suggested product yarns to use, or it tells you the weight, and it's nice and big there. It tells you how much you're going to need of each color. And then, and I do like that they have the particular brand that they used, and then the names of the colors that they used of those brands. And then it tells you what you're going to need: size M, N, or 13 and 9 millimeter crochet hooks, or the size needed to obtain gauge. And you need a tapestry needle. So this is very clear. I like that it does this. This is my favorite thing here about the skill level. And that's the case for everyone. And here, because this is kind of a graph GAN, as you can see a little bit, it does show you the graph. It gives you that part of it. Let's see, you go back over here. So the Christmas morning mug rugs. And again, it's got it as an intermediate skill level. And it tells you how big the finished product is going to be. And then again, it tells you what they used and the color that they used. You can choose to do other substitute if you want to, but it does tell you what they used to get what you're seeing in the picture. And again, it's a size 4 medium. And so it comes, and because this has tassels, they do have this special section here to show you about how to create a tassel, which is a nice demonstration there. So they go through this similarly with all of their projects. Even here, if there's a special stitch that you need to know or something special, they give you like a special diagram showing you what you need to do for the special stitches or the like that they have. So I think that's really good. I think this is a great little book, especially if you're looking for a Christmas project. Now, I know this may be, like if you're going to start tackling a blanket, it's probably not going to be until next year that it's done. Or, hey, maybe you want to make something fun like this scarf for to wear to work on right before the holidays start. Or as December starts, you want something fun and festive like that. Or you want to make little gifts such as those covers that go over plain ornaments. I think that's a great gift idea for coworkers or your child's teacher. I think that's just a great idea, and a lot of people do appreciate that personal touch of a handmade project for Christmas. The only drawback, I did really enjoy this book for the clarity of the patterns. You know what you're getting into. You know how much yarn you need and what type of yarn you need. So it's excellent in the clarity of patterns. I would rate this at about 4 stars, and the only reason is the pricing. You're only getting 31 designs in this particular book, and I do realize that these are very specific designs, specific to Christmas. However, because there's 31, I would expect the pricing of this to be somewhere around magazine level. I know that the cover is a little bit more durable than the cover of a magazine, but it's still just a little bit thicker piece of cardboard instead of that shiny paper. And it's still only 31 designs. So I would have preferred the pricing of this to be around $9.99, $10. Instead, you're looking at $14.99 or $15. It's not a huge difference, so I'm not going to knock it off that much for it. However, I would have preferred it to be a little bit cheaper just because of the number of patterns that you do get in this. And that's really the only reason why I would knock it down a full star instead of just a half star, or not knock it down any stars at all. But what do you guys think? Do you like seeing Christmas projects like this? What do you think of the projects that they're showing here? Do you have anything that really just stuck out to you that you thought was amazing? And what do you think of the value? $15 for this particular book? What do you think of that? If you are interested in purchasing this book, it is linked down below for you to review and take a look at. But this is a fun book, a really fun book, and there's some stuff that I would love to make out of this. Yeah, I don't think it's a total loss. I think it's a pretty nice book. I just think they need to price it a little bit cheaper. All right. And that is it for me today. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. If this is the kind of content that you enjoy, then please don't hesitate. Go down below, give me a comment, let me know the kinds of things that you want to see. I love to hear from you. And while you're down there, if you can hit that like button, as well as subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video or when I go live. Thank you all so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.